The history of American bands is as diverse as the nation itself, reflecting a blend of cultures, styles, and individual artistry, from the jazz ensembles of the early 20th century to today's rock and pop phenomena. American bands encapsulate the spirit of innovation. Early formations, like big bands of the 1930s, brought forward talents that would shape the future, with their brass sections belting out captivating rhythms that made people dance and dream. Transitioning through decades, American bands ventured into rock and roll, giving birth to iconic groups that defined generations. The 1960s saw the rise of bands that not only transformed music, but also influenced social movements. Electric guitar riffs became synonymous with rebellion, and harmonies echoed the longing for change. Bands like those from the British invasion paved the way for American talent to flourish, creating a musical dialogue that resonated worldwide. As the 1970s rolled in, musical experimentation became the mantra. The fusion of genres led to the emergence of progressive rock, metal, and punk, offering voices for the disenchanted youth. Bands began to explore the depths of their creativity, leading to albums that were not just collections of songs, but cohesive artistic statements that pushed boundaries. The iconic performances, with their flamboyant styles and electrifying stage presence, made live concerts a ritual where fans united in their love for music.